Hi there everyone. So in this video we are going to see how to use really simple featured audio to host audio podcasts on your WordPress site. So what I have here is a default installation of a WordPress site. Let's take a look at the front end. So we have some demo posts and nothing else basically. So yeah, let's head back to the plugins page and add our plugin. Let's search for really simple featured audio. You should see this really simple featured audio by Jetix WP plugins and hit install now and activate. Once it's activated, let's head back to the posts and select the first Hello World demo post. You will see that in the sidebar inspector at the post tab, there will be this featured audio section at the very bottom where you can select either a self-hosted audio or an embedded one, which is basically a URL which ends with the absolute file extension such as .mp3 or .wav. So we are going to be using a self-hosted audio in this example. So let's upload an audio. I have some downloaded from Pixabay stock audio website. Let's upload that. Hit select and save. Once it's saved, we can take a look at the blog single page. So as you can see here, this is the audio and it's being displayed properly. And let's head back to the plugin settings, that is under settings and really simple featured audio. So there are three tabs over here, for which one is general and the second one global and third control. So let's take a look at the very first setting, that is the theme compatibility engine. This is how we basically set which feature sets are enabled for the specific theme, and you can always select manually if in case the auto doesn't work for your theme. And we have a set of themes support engines basically, and this list is always growing. This list is basically where we are constantly adding more and more themes to support them. Most of the themes that follow the standard WordPress image workflow, we can easily add support for them, but some of the premium or custom themes that go beyond the standard workflow are a bit tough to continuously support, because we basically replace the featured image with the featured audio. So please keep that in mind, and if you have any issues with the current theme you're using and the audio is not being showed up on the front end, you can always contact us at hello@jetixwp.com or send a support request via the site contact form. You can log in or head to jetixwp.com and simply contact us via this contact form. Okay, so the second setting is the post type support, where you can enable each, so you can basically add featured audio section at each of these CPTs. So first one is post, which is by default enabled, and the second one being pages. So let's enable that, and there'll be more as you add more plugins. Like if you add WooCommerce, there'll be products here which you can enable as well. So moving on to the global tab, where you see there are two toggles here. The first one being the blog archives toggle, where let's head to the blog homepage, which is also a blog archives page. Let's toggle it off and hit save changes. If you were to refresh this, you'll see that the audio is not available on the blog home, and it does show up at the blog single post. So that is the second toggle. If we were to toggle it off and if you were to refresh it, you will see that this video is now not available here. Let's toggle them back on, hit save changes, and head to controls. So the controls is where you control basically separate different aspects of audio, such as some of the default controls for autoplay or loop, etc. You can toggle each of these on and off, and that should work. So that's about it for this, and thank you for watching this one. And if you have any issues or feature suggestions that you'd like to make, feel free to email us at hello@jetixwp.com. Thank you again. Have a great day.